I do feel like someone is remorseful here, Divine Collective. Someone here is trying to connect with themselves, is what Spirit is telling me. They're very remorseful. I wanted to say remote. So is this person close to you? Remote viewing you, Divine Collective. Okay. Watching you enjoy life. This person thinks you're so beautiful. Okay. They're seeing you as someone who is very important, very much needed, Divine Collective. Okay. Reckless spending, Divine Collective. Be cautious about what you're spending your money on here. I'm getting reckless spending. Someone is indebted to a demon. This person needs an exorcism, Spirit is telling me. I kept picking up on that yesterday as well. A lot of, you know, these karmic energies, friends and family that we've moved on from, Divine Collective. I'm seeing them as a lot of them need exorcisms, okay? Stop procrastinating, Divine Collective. If you need to, pray to remove the spirit of procrastination. I am picking up on the spirit of procrastination here. I've had to fight through that here recently, Divine Collective. It's not so much procrastination with me as it is, I get sidetracked. Like, I'll be doing this, but in my mind I have 5 other things that I could be doing, and the thought is so overwhelming that I can't focus on what it is I'm doing now until I take care of those 5 other things. And that's how, you know, every day is for me, Divine Collective. So much so that I procrastinate. I'll sit down and I'll be like, effing, I don't want to do nothing. But that comes along with, you know, just taking your time, Divine Collective. It was in those moments when Spirit would speak to me and just tell me, take a deep breath, prioritize what it is that's most important to get done in the current moment, and move from there, okay? You know, don't overdo it, Divine Collective. Don't burn yourself out here. Whatever this is that you're doing, do not burn yourself out. Take time, if you need to rest, okay? But just be cautious of the spirit of procrastination. I am picking up on that, Divine Collective. There is a King of Pentacles here coming in with an offer. What's this about, Spirit? Okay, so this is someone, this King of Pentacles is coming in with an offer. I feel that this person was, they were being kept from coming towards you, Divine Collective, because they were in connection with a feminine here who was very egotistical and prideful. This feminine energy, they have a lack of respect, Divine Collective. And I do feel like they played a part in keeping this King of Pentacles from coming towards you. Spirit says you will soon attain something you thought was out of reach, Divine Collective. Something involving money, okay? There's something involving money here. I'm picking up on betrayal. Someone does want to offer you an apology. Someone does feel remorse here, Divine Collective. They want to ask for your forgiveness. They are currently under judgment. This has something to do with money, stealing from you, Divine Collective. Someone tried to get you to compete for them, for their love, Divine Collective. They learned really, really fast, Spirit said, that you are not an option, that you are the Empress. And we do not compete for love, Divine Collective. We are love, okay? We don't compete. Someone learned very fast that this was not the case, okay? Spirit says you've worked really hard for this. You've worked really hard on yourself. And there's something coming towards you, Divine Collective. This is absolutely something physical, okay? It's physical, like keys, physical money. This is really real, is what Spirit is telling me. And you've worked very hard for this. Prosperity. I can't make this up, Divine Collective, okay? A gift of money is coming in. You do not see this at all. At all, Divine Collective. You've detached from the pain. You put an end, you've put an end to the pain, Spirit is telling me. No more waiting. You're moving forward. People are starting to learn that you are not an easy target, Divine Collective. A lot of people are learning, okay, that they cannot play with us. They cannot play with the Divine Collective. 1878 is of significance. I'm getting 1878. All right. Yeah, someone here, and I just spoke on this before this reading, someone here has no identity. They lack identity. I also picked up on that in my last reading, Divine Collective. This person really needs to get themselves together. Spirit is saying they lack identity. Okay, they don't know who they are. But this is someone who is steady trying to convince you of who you are, yet they have no idea who they are. Okay? Spirit says when going through tough times, it is important to remember that nothing up to this point has defeated you, Divine Collective. If you think about it, you've made it past 100% of your worst days, okay? Remind yourself of that. I'm picking up on a Taurus, 7:24 on the clock. Someone is desperate here. What's this about? Spirit is telling me someone is desperate and they're thinking of blackmailing you. This is someone who does not want to face their reality. They've been following you or stalking you on social media. If you're in the public eye, Divine Collective, this person has a couple fake accounts. They're not ready to face reality here. They don't want to be under judgment of what they've done to you. They stole from you, Divine Collective. Someone wants to talk to you in person. They want to talk to you in person. Spirit says they don't like that you've hindered their progress. They have spiritual issues, I'm hearing. They have no protection. No more backing, no more protection. Their ancestors aren't even with them any longer, Divine Collective. Okay? And this person feels that you hindered their progress. Talk about delusion, Divine Collective. Yeah, delusion, okay? As I'm saying that, the card is right here. There's an Aquarius here. Delusional. Stay grounded in the truth, Divine Collective. All these people are shocked that you're accomplishing your goals. That you don't fear the unknown. You're someone who doesn't fear change, Divine Collective. I'm getting a high level of commitment here coming towards you. And a couple cards before that, I pulled the Divine Feminine, the Divine Masculine. So for a lot of you, you have a high level of commitment coming towards you, Divine Counterpart. And someone is going to feel so blessed to have you, Spirit is saying. It's like they're in this energy like, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It's like you're all mine, but not in a possessive type of way.